Excuse me, doctor.
Yes, come in. Sit down.
Hi, doctor. I am Abhijami. I'm from Sri Vijay Vijayasam School studying 8th standard. Can I get an interview regarding vaccines and antibiotics?
Yeah, sure.
What are vaccines, ma'am?
See, vaccines are something like inactivated microbes when injected into our body produces antibodies that protects against certain diseases.
It is necessary to take all vaccines, ma'am.
Yeah, good question. See, I will explain you with a simple example. Why are you wearing seat belt while driving a car or wearing a helmet while riding a bike?
Ma'am, to prevent from injuries.
Yeah, similarly, you have to put all the vaccines to prevent from all the diseases.
Ma'am, whether vaccine can be stored in room temperature?
No, you should not store a vaccine in room temperature. It must be stored only in the refrigerator. That too, certain vaccines must be stored in the normal compartment. Certain vaccines must be stored only in the freezer compartment. We call it as a cold chain. See, when we are carrying a vaccine also, you must carry only in the vaccine carrier which contains ice boxes in it.
Untoward incident have happened due to vaccination. Can you explain about me that, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. Side effects do occur in vaccination. We call it as adverse event following immunization. We immediately report it. See, minor side effects are redness, swelling, pain, and fever. And very severe reactions are very rare. You need not panic about that. You should see only the beneficiary effect of the vaccine.
Ma'am, what are the difference between government and private vaccines?
See, government and private vaccines both have a good efficacy, but some vaccines are not available in government sector, like influenza vaccine, mumps vaccine, chickenpox vaccine, HPV vaccine, typhoid vaccine, hepatitis A vaccine. For these vaccines alone, you can go to private sector.
Ma'am, what are the difference between antibiotics and vaccines?
See, antibiotics are the substances that cures the diseases after it comes, but vaccines are those which prevents the diseases before it comes.
Ma'am, can you explain me about antibiotics with examples?
Yeah, before that, let me ask you one question.
Yes,
What are the microorganisms? Do you know?
Ma'am, virus, bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoa.
Okay, I will explain you with these examples. See, this is the antibiotic named amoxicillin and potassium clavulanate. It acts against the bacteria.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, we have multiple such of antibiotics which acts against the bacteria. Then this is the one. This is antiviral which acts against the flu virus. That is name is oseltamivir. It acts against the flu virus. And this tablet is antifungal that acts against the fungus. And this is the drug which acts against the malarial parasite.
Thank you for the interview, ma'am.
Wait. What is your age?
Ma'am,